Homeostasis is present in the body in the secretion of adrenaline. Homeostasis is a tendency in the body for cells and systems to maintain the equilibrium of their functions and well-being in response to a sudden change in external conditions. These conditions can range from exercise to childbirth, but adrenaline is a result of very extreme changes and it disrupts the function of the entire body. As I have said before, adrenaline is instigated first by an extreme change in the environment around a person. The most common of these changes are skydiving, mountain climbing, ziplining, or watching horror movies. That is why people who enjoy these kinds of activities are known as adrenaline junkies. The new external conditions are first processed by the amygdala, which is the part of the brain that processes all emotions, including stress. When it registers disruptions to the senses like vision or hearing, it sends a distress signal to the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is the command center of the brain and of the autonomic nervous system, or the system of involuntary functions. The hypothalamus receives the distress signal and activates the sympathetic nervous system, one half of the autonomic nervous system, triggering the fight-or-flight response. The adrenal glands then release the hormone adrenaline into the bloodstream. Adrenaline is wild because it literally affects everything almost instantly. The list shown is of all the parts of the body it could hit, but there are three major affected parts. The first is the liver, where the adrenaline binds to cells to break down glycogen, creating a larger supply of sugar. The second is lungs, where the adrenaline binds to muscle cells, causing them to contract more rapidly. Lastly, and the most impactful, is the heart, where adrenaline also binds and stimulates cardiac tissue cells to beat faster. In order to calm down after an adrenaline rush, your body needs to engage the other half of the autonomic nervous system, the parasympathetic nervous system, that triggers the rest and digest response. Each person needs different things, but you can take deep breaths, do some yoga, or try to count slowly. The adrenal glands are vital to this process. They are located above the kidneys and contain a medulla and a cortex that are each responsible for different hormones. The cortex is larger and the outside part of the gland, but the medulla is in charge of producing adrenaline and other stress hormones. The other hormones produced primarily affect and maintain metabolism, blood pressure, and our immune system. Thank you for watching and listening.